Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to replace your battery in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra key fob. First, press the silver button and take out the keyring. Then, insert your flathead screwdriver into this groove here. As you give your flathead screwdriver a little twist, you'll force apart those two panels. Then, using a small, flat plastic pry tool, you'll be able to pop out your battery. Set the new battery down the exact same way the old battery was positioned. And then you can line the two key fob panels up and snap them back together. I will have a link above, also below in the description, where you can find the battery and also replacement key fobs if you need it. Thanks for watching.